Now see the bridge full wave rectifier parameters. Bridge full wave rectifier parameters are similar to full wave rectifier parameters. Why? Because the output waveform for the full wave rectifier as well as bridge full wave rectifier is same. We got the same output in the case of bridge full wave rectifier as well as full wave rectifier. That means center of full wave rectifier. Both the cases are output is same. So that's why you are going to get same average value, RMS value, input power, output power, efficiency, and ripple factor. You are going to get all these factors are same. Why? Because the waveform is same. Okay. Except one parameter, except one notation is going to change. That notation is this RF. In the case of full wave rectifier, we got it as RF. Whereas in the case of bridge full wave rectifier, instead of RF, we are going to keep it as 2RF. Why it is 2RF? Why not RF? Why? Because see here. Why? Because see here. Now see this wave. See this circuit diagram in the case of bridge full wave rectifier. Now here, in the case of bridge full wave rectifier, for 1/2 cycle, how many diodes are operating? Only 2 diodes. In the case of positive half cycle, D1, D2 both are operating. I already discussed this concept. See here. In the case of positive half cycle, D1, D2 both are operating at a time. That means here, the current present in the D1, the same current is flowing to the RL as well as D2. Whatever the current present in this D1, the same current is flowing to the D2. That means D1, D2 both are connected in series. So it is RF plus RF. Total resistance is 2RF in the case of bridge full wave rectifier for positive half cycle. In the case of negative half cycle also, D4, D3 are operating. Here we have to remove this D1 and D2. Why? Because these are reverse bias. Already I discussed this concept here. In the case of negative half cycle, D3, D4 both are operating. Now see here, whatever the current present in this D3, the same current is flowing to the RL as well as D4. The same current is flowing in the D4 and D3. So that's why these two are connected in series. Then it will become RF plus RF. Total resistance is 2RF in the case of bridge full wave rectifier. Okay. When you are giving the positive half cycle, when you are giving neutral half cycle, 2 diodes are operating at a time and both are connected in series. So that's why we are going to add the resistances in the case of series connection. It is RF plus RF to RF. Okay. Now instead of RF, we are going to keep it as 2RF. Okay, just substitute the 2RF in the case of bridge full wave rectifier as RF. Okay, where you are going to find RF, just keep it as 2RF. That is the difference in the case of bridge full wave rectifier.